All right, good morning, everybody. Today is Wednesday, October 2024. You're in the live trading room, Tim the Trader. Let's get rid of the legal stuff here. Welcome. Hope you had a good night last night. Here's yesterday's charts with yesterday's trades at the time that we took them. Had 6 trades yesterday, ended up 125, no losses yesterday. It was a good day yesterday. Todd had that call. Remember, I took that defensive call down here and ended up catching it on that call rebound that we had here, getting out of that about quarter to 12. So huge sell-off yesterday. Had some nice swing highs that happened yesterday, but the rest of the day was kind of slow, and that was yesterday. So Q closed right at 480.92, and it's sitting at 480.09. Doesn't look like we're going to have a gap play this morning. Let me go ahead and bring this up. Looks like we did have a report come out this morning. Keith will cover that in a little bit. Let's go over to the option chain. We have 789,000 in pre-market volume. We are trading October 3rd. That's tomorrow's expiration, 3 October 24. On your option chain, we'll start at the money at the 480 on the call side, 481 on the put side. And let's go ahead and toss it over to Keith for the morning report. Good morning, Keith. I see his mic is open, but I don't hear him. We'll give him a second to sort that out.
You got me now?
Got you now, buddy.
Sorry, I had it unplugged to do a DVD thing. Anyway, yeah, great day yesterday. Had two trades up a $1.36 yesterday. Just an amazing day. So, and glad Tim you could get out of that call defensive trade yesterday too.
Yeah.
This morning we had the ADP employment change numbers came out significantly better than anticipated, and the market originally went up, and then now it's come back down. We also had another Fed member speaking at 9 o'clock, and another one's going to speak at 10 o'clock this morning, so we'll watch out for that. We also have two other members speaking at 11 and 12:15. No bond auctions today. So anyway, still may get a pop here to 10 o'clock during the one announcement here. And have a number of things coming out for manufacturing ISM numbers tomorrow. And we'll keep an eye on those. Oh, and
Okay.
I'm trading Friday's expiration, the 4th here today.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Thank you for the report, sir. Yeah, I saw that pop that happened at 8:30 that came in. Okay, let's make sure our charts are set up properly. We want 20 cents between each hash mark here on the side of each of our charts, as you see on mine, and like so. And we are coming up on 30 seconds away from the market open. Let's make it a good day today. Got a pretty good crowd in this morning. All right. Again, we are trading tomorrow's expiration, unless you're trading Keith's expiration. You got 15 seconds. 10 seconds. All right. Stand by. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we are in. I believe the markets are all starting a little low, a little in the negative. We'll get some numbers here in a second. All right, Dow is up 3.85. NAS hasn't reported yet. S&P is down by 11.9%. Let's see if we can get the NAS in. NAS is down 46. Now Dow is down 15. NAS is down 46. S&P is down 13. So starting In slightly negative numbers, that just is our starting point. Our starting point is that's zero for us for options. It's just where the broader markets are. Gives us a little indicator on possible direction. You can see we're pushing down now. Just my volume subgraph up a little bit so we can see that a little better. There we go. Over 1 million in the underlying asset traded. We have crossed to the bottom side on our MACD, on our Heikin-Aussie. We are on the put side of the 5-minute. Let's see what the broader markets are looking like. Yeah, just crossed on the 15-minute as well, down to the put side, and the 30-minute is still on the call side of the control line, but converging toward the control line. So I will be at the 482 on the put side if we end up going that direction, but we are reversing back to VWAP. Now Dow is down 123, NAS is down 39, S&P down 18. Obviously, we're going against the market right now. On the call side, I will be at the 479 on the call side. Market maker trying to find a market here. Oh, today is Wednesday, so it is double session Wednesday, and we will have a lesson this afternoon, number 11 in the series. We're going to talk about how news affects the markets, which is particularly apt, especially yesterday when the Middle East was kind of blowing up. We saw how that affected the market quite a bit.
Yeah, it's always fun when you get non-scheduled announcements coming out.
Mm-hmm.
Coming back down to VWAP.
Yeah, pundits feel that big sell-off we had first thing in the morning was a combination of the port strike and what was going on in the Middle East, both combined to really spook the market. Price coming back down. So we actually did cross on our Heikin-Aussie a few minutes ago, but in the same minute, it uncrossed, came back up. Now its price is coming back down.
I'm looking at the 481 on the put.
Okay. I'm looking at the 482 on the put side. See if this breaks down, and we may look at get into a trade here. Okay,
I'm going to go ahead and try to get in on
stand
this.
by. Let's go ahead and get into this. And we are in and filled at 434.
Okay, I just got filled.
Tim, what'd you just get in?
I just got in at 434 at the 482 put.
Thank you.
Just waiting for this to break. So the reason we got into this is we started to see a breakout develop. Price came down, broke past the last low, giving us a good signal to head in. All of our MACDs were in the put position, in the put bias position, that is below the control line. Now we just wait for this to pick up some momentum. All the broader markets are down.
30 minutes crossed over too.
There we go. 30-minute is crossed, giving us longer term support for this position. It's up to 448 now. Got in at 434. Got us a nice breakout going here. It's up to 458, 459.
I think we got a real supply zone too when
Mm-hmm.
got a second.
474. Getting a slight little reversal here. You think this has more in it? And you agree, Keith?
Yeah, it's struggling here to get down below this. Well, it just did. Okay.
All right, let's stand by to take profit here. I'm going to go ahead and take profit here.
Yeah, I am too.
All right, out at 479, 434 to 479.
Still waiting to get filled here.
There it goes.
Okay. Yeah, so I got in at 490, 493 and out at 545.
Wow, nice.
Nice.
433 to 479.
All right.
I clicked on 81, but it didn't go through. Then 481,
Ah,
479. It's okay. I'll
yeah,
take it.
yeah, absolutely. Good opening trade. So
Now
40.
I got out. Now it's going down. What's going on here?
Well, it's watching you, Ashim. They're watching you.
Yeah, I can see that.
It's okay. Oop, I'm sorry. It's 45 on that.
Mine was
That's
52 cents I got on that.
nice. All right, still heading down. I'm going to head back to the 480 on the put side. I'm going to go ahead and re-enter this. And in at 422.
And I'm looking at the 479 to get in. And in.
All indicators are showing continuation. Let's see, while we wait on that, let's see if I can get a supply zone put in up here. Edit. Let's go here, go red. Oh, whoopsie. More HSV. Let's turn that down a little bit. 60. Okay, okay. And let's edit the price level. Turn that red. There we go.
So we got the Dow down 112, NASDAQ down 135, S&P down 33. And we have, well, where'd my cursor go? Oh, come on. You know, 3.4 million underlying traded.
Okay. Getting a bit of a reversal going here.
So are we in a trade too?
We're in this trade.
A
I
put
mean,
or
we're still in a put right now.
okay. Sorry,
Yeah,
just got in.
I think
Oh,
it's gonna go
No,
down.
no problem. I'm sorry, Chu. I didn't see you just come in. I should have told you. We're in a put trade at the 480 put right now, and it's in a bit of a reversal right now, but all the indicators are still showing a put bias, longer term showing put bias. All right, I'm going to go over to the call side to the 477 on the call side. 477. Breaking through. See if this gets through VWAP. It is. Okay, I'm going to enter the 477 on the call side. And I am in at 478. Did that just to make sure it reverses.
Yep. We do have a real demand zone in there now too.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead and add that in. Okay, got a demand zone in. Getting stuck at VWAP.
Had pretty good volume on the 1 minute candles so far this morning.
Yeah.
All right, come on down. Come on down.
Hey guys, have a question. So you are in the call side and the put side at the same time?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And I'm not. I did not get in on the call. It was struggling to get across VWAP, so I opted not to enter that.
And I did it as a defensive trade, but in all honesty, probably got into that call a little late, but it will work out.
Well, with that big jump up, you want to make sure it got across VWAP before you entered it.
Yeah.
And we got about 8 minutes till the pop of the top, if there is one. It turns out this Fed member, Musalem, is not speaking till about what's it, 13, about 10:05.
Okay.
Come on down. Come on down.
Just kind of stuck at VWAP here. There's Andrew, plus 46. Right on, Andrew. That must have been off that first trade, I imagine.
Ashim, I did email your request this morning.
Thanks, Keith.
Yep. All right, come on down. Come on. We got the 30-minute crossed over again, and the 15-minute is turned back down. So tick, come on down. Really getting stuck about that 494.38.
Yeah. We're in a messy middle right now. Just a little bit of consolidation going on. Messy middle rule applies.
Now, would you consider that a messy middle going up, given that big jump before we got into this?
I think I'd take it from the 951 candle.
Thank
So,
you. That's the one I'd like it to go to.
yeah.
Nah, come on. You don't want to go up.
So as we wait for this to do something, just a reminder, we'll be back at 3 o'clock today, and we're going to start with a discussion of how news affects the market, what type of things affect the market in terms of news and announcements. Back at 3 p.m. today.
All right, got 3 minutes to the pop. I think the market maker's trying to get rid of some positions before the pop that he can pull it back.
Yep.
You're going to try to get out of your call before the pop?
I am. Like to see price come up to the pseudo supply zone and bounce off of it, but doesn't seem to have enough support, at least not right now, to move price up. I'd almost rather price see it dip and do a new low way past the demand zone, dip down, because that makes the retracement even larger.
Yeah, yeah.
But right now, we're just sort of in consolidation, not really moving. Not moving a whole lot. Price is always moving, but just not moving all that much.
We've got 30 seconds to the pop.
All right, we'll see if we get anything here in 15 seconds. All right, we're in the pop.
There we go. Come on now.
All right. Manages to pop up again. I'll get rid of this call trade. All right, I'm going to take profit on this call trade. Just took profit. So 478 to 497.
Good.
480 to 497
Okay.
out from this.
You're still in that put though, right?
Yep, still on the put.
A lot of times we see it reverse after a couple minutes after the pop. And we have this Fed member speaking in 2 minutes.
Might go back to the call side to the 479.
I'm going to wait until after he gets on to speak before I do anything.
Mm-hmm. All right, starting to recede a bit. Got 5,400,000 traded in the underlying. Dow still down 32, Nas down 41, S&P down 9.89.
All right, come on now. Market maker got rid of his shares he wanted to get rid of.
Mm-hmm.
Come on down. Come on.
So then we were getting the beginnings of some profit taking. It's stalling at the supply zone. But our Heikenasi is getting close to crossing if this continues down.
No, come on. The other direction. But we were going to have a new supply zone in there
Yeah.
too. Gave that one up.
Oop, just a few more seconds. There we go. Got it. So let's go ahead and activate this. We're going to move this into a real position right here and activate the price level and bring it right there. Come on.
All right, come on down. Keep going.
Indeed. We have crossed on our Heikenasi back under. That's good. Come on, let's push through that zone.
Mr. Tick, I think Tim was talking about pushing it through going down, not going up.
Yes, sorry, should have clarified that.
Are you guys in the call or put side now?
I'm sorry, say again.
Sorry about that. Are you guys in the calls or put side now?
Well, we're in a put right now. That's where we're hoping to go.
Okay. Thanks, man.
Come on, this is ridiculous. Get down there.
You tell it, Keith. Although we are finding resistance up here near the 481, well, really 481.27 area. But this will reach a point of being overbought, and then it will have to reverse. It's running into a lot of resistance right now.
just crossed over yesterday's close.
Okay. All right, Dow is just down by 2.93, Nas down by 6, S&P down by 2.74, about to go positive. Quite a breakaway we're getting right here. Our Heikenasi MACD is crossed again. See if it can stay crossed and continue down. That was quite a little breakaway we had on the call side there a few minutes ago. Now, market maker may just be taking out stops at the supply zone here in order to continue a campaign up. I'm hoping that's not the case.
If he turns around again, I'm going to have to pull out my little market maker voodoo doll.
Just need to get through the supply zone, stay through it. Has some profit taking going on right now.
We can move that supply zone up now too.
Indeed. In fact, we're just going to add a new supply zone up here. Let's go ahead and duplicate this one. Bring it up there. We will duplicate the price level. Bring it up there. And then we're going to turn this one gray, as it is now a minor zone.
Come on, market maker. Just because it's a minor zone doesn't mean you can't drop down below it.
That's right. Dow down 21, NASDAQ down 8, S&P down 4. Chu asked, are we still in put bias? No, we're not. We're definitely in a call bias right now on the longer term charts. So we just have to wait till this price becomes oversold, overbought, and then price will start moving down again. Well, we're an hour into session. We got 7,400,000 in on the underlying. Dow's down by 10, Nas down by 1.39, S&P down by 3.78, barely holding on to the negative market there. I mean, it's pretty flat. All right, I'm going to go back to the call side, probably to the 480 on the call side. I may put in another defensive trade here.
I saw the price just jump down. Did you get into a call?
No, no, I didn't. You'd think I did.
Yeah, yeah.
Maybe team, so then you can keep saying that I'll go for a call. So then it will go down.
Yeah,
Threaten them.
exactly. All right. Let's see some profit taking start to take place here. So what happens here when we reach this top is the market makers literally run out of traders willing to spend another penny more. So price has to reverse and start that process of taking lower bids and lower bids. Hmm.
That's sort of what I say too.
Yeah.
There is another Fed member speaking in about 15 minutes at 11 o'clock too.
Okay.
If this thing does reverse, will you take puts on the way down?
Yes. Yeah, definitely, Brian. Probably double down on it once we do get into reversal mode here. Once this becomes overbought. I'm a little surprised that prices stayed up this high this long, especially with all the bad news that's out there right now. Looks like we're reaching a bit of a ceiling here. Hmm. It'd be a crazy Ivan that we've got going right here. Come on, let's get this sell-off going. Let's get this thing reversed.
I hear in the background, beep, beep, beep.
Yep. Yep.
As it backs up.
It's reaching the top. That's why. There we go. Yep. Hopefully my wife's not burning down the kitchen.
Tim, do you ever say stuff like that when she can hear you?
Oh, yeah. Well, once.
Yeah, that's about right.
Yeah. That kind of was all I could get away with.
What's it gonna take to convince you we've got the sell-off going? You gonna wait for the 5 and the 15 and the 30, or
Yeah. Yeah, I want to see those get into place. We've had so many false starts here. In fact, I'd like to see price come down and break through VWAP.
right?
Guess we can probably move the supply zone up and leave the current one a intermediate zone.
Yeah. So let's duplicate this. We'll bring it up here like so. We will duplicate price level, bring that up like so. And we'll turn this one gray, make it another minor zone. And then the price level. There we go. All right, come on down. Well, obviously, we're going to be holding on to this for a while, waiting for the inevitable reversal. That's going to happen.
Tim, just a quick question. So then, when do you think? You'll um, double down.
Oh, I'm going to wait till it gets below VWAP
Okay.
before considering it. I need to see more. I need to see more evidence that a reversal is actually happening. This was a good start, and if that kept going, that would be something. But we need to reverse again from here on down. But we're going in the right direction.
Thank you.
Sure, but we will want to, take advantage as soon as we can on doubling down on the put to half the distance to break even. Boy, it's a persistent little alarm, I'll say that.
Tim, I had to step away. How are we doing on our long-term chart?
So the 30-minute has turned. At least we're looking at a red candle now, and the 15-minute still has a ways to go before it turns. The MACDs have just started converging, but they have a ways to go. But the good news is we're going in the right direction. So now we're negotiating with this minor zone to get through it. Come on down. All right, guys. Well, we're at the top of the hour. We'll be leaving charts up here and monitoring for quite a while. We'll be back at 3 o'clock again. If the charts should go away, which I don't think they will, just log back in and we'll do it. We're going to have a lesson on how news affects the charts. I hate to say it, but if Israel and Hezbollah start lobbing, missiles at each other again today, that would be impetus for the price to start dropping, just like it did yesterday.
Hey, Tim, could you send me a link for our meeting? You might have already.
If you want to just stay on here, well,
Oh, perfect. Okay.
actually, yeah, just stay on here.
Okay.
And we'll talk in 15 minutes, okay? All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and step away for a minute, and then I will be coming back, and I'll keep an eye on the charts.